Ka nong aiktian jong seng kongres ka Bobita Sharma ha ka santrik unailur arhajar arpuar. Kalapan bena bag seng kongres kan penlong ya ka Bharat Jodo Yatra ne ka Iaidkjat ha ka hinyau tarik menta ubenai nailur. Kaban sedang Naduh ka Kanyakumari Shaduh Jammu bat Kashmir. Ka Bobita Sharma ha baya keren bat kinong patai kubor ka loong baya kene ka Yatra Nongialam do Rahul Gandhi ubalong Nongialam ka All India Congress Committee. Ban pensuthu igi patba ha kabede gejing sensyar ke BJP ya kari ha kini ki prasnem kabala penlong i patba kari ban mat ke jingdok ban om yo okam yo jam bat bakadon ru gejing kiodor ki marba mardi bat kiwe-kiwe. Kani kenong aiktian kalong baka jing temu jong kani ke Yatra kalong barwanra ya ka jing teli jong barok kinong India baning persya ke jing bamlong renti ka kai pateng ka jing pat ya prak imlang salang bat ka jing senjor jong ki hok kumla kedau ha ka riti sensyari. Kalau orang balang ba kani kejing Iaidkjat kinong alam ka kongres ken ya hakikat artli gi jela bat artli gi union territory balajet ki sispa khat prangot na kelenggari bande ya shimbenta ha kani ka Yatra ha ka bedai bat ki kam san perthai ha ka jela Meghalaya kanong aiktian jong All India Congress Committee kalapen paw ya kejing scam jingmut ba ka seng kongres hapo ka jingalam UMP ka Shillong seat uba Vincent H Pala kumu presiden ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee kadani ka kabu ka babiang ban wan pai biang ha ka bor ha ka senam arhajar arpulai kalong ba ka kongres kala du tang khandiat ban thaw ka sarkar ka senam arhajar khatra bat menta ka kenti ling ba ka jing trishtom kipat ba sa sisian kan ai ka jing shania ka seng kongres kumba ka seng kalale bon ke ne ka benta ka jela Meghalaya. Ka Bobita kalong baga Meghalaya kadai ka bahab ha Assam menchua. Badai ka kongres ka blashim ka senjam bantau ka jela Meghalaya. Bad ka seng kongres ka pai khmat bet yaki pat duluam jeng jela ka than stelam ingi. Bad bon kala sedang ban klet. Badai ban pun ken mau biang yaki pat ba yaki ki ba ka kongres kala dak ban le. Halor ka jingkeli le ka kongres kan pediang biang ne yaki nong mi khmat ki bala phet lada ki ban pai biang. Kanong yalam ka All India Congress Committee kalong bagi nong yalam ka seng ki kloi ban pediang ya baro lada ki wan pai biang sya ka seng bat kala khot ngop haru iki wei pat ki seng san perthai ki betrelang bat ki NPP bat ka BJP ki bas ngo baga jinge trelang jongki kam dan jingmut ai ruem.
Main goal of Bharat Jodo Yatra is to take the people of the country the issues of economic, social and political. As we have seen in the last 8 years since the Modi government has come to power, the promises that were given by the BJP government led by Shri Narendra Modi, people had given him vote with a lot of trust, lot of hope. But what have we seen in the last 8 years? That all their hopes and trust have been destroyed. And we have seen that the trust they had in the BJP government, which the people voted to power, has been dismantled one by one. First and foremost, in the economic problem that we are facing now, the most important problem is price rise. At that time, they used to talk about the rise of petrol, the price rise issues. When they were in the opposition, they used to take to the streets. But what do we see now? Now for the common people, petrol has reached more than 100. Price rise is skyrocketing. For everybody, for you and me, for everybody, it's becoming very difficult to even make ends meet in the household. Every housewife, every man who works in an office, every daily wage earner feels the pinch of the skyrocketing prices. Unemployment has been the highest in the last 45 years. And even now, in every state, unemployment is a big issue. And our youths are very, very disheartened with what has been promised to them. So these two economic issues we want to take to the people of the country through the Bharat Jodo Yatra. Secondly, we have seen that in the last 8 years, unprecedented social tension in India. Government at the center has been trying to control and centralize everything, and how they are going on a politics of vendetta against the opposition leaders. from south to north to east to west, everywhere you have seen how they have used the central agencies like ED and CBI against the opposition leaders. How they are trying to subvert the independence of the state governments. No state government can act on their own without permission from the central governments. It's as if all the chief ministers have become puppets in the hands of the central government. So these issues we want to take to the people of India through the Bharat Jodo Yatra. These are the main core goals. And this Yatra will start from 7 September. And our leader, this will be led by our leader Rahul Gandhi ji, and he will be throughout this Yatra, which will continue for 150 days. And it will cover the different states.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.